Do you want a better life for yourself and your family? Do you dream of retiring early and enjoying overseas holidays? Do you want to own the home and car of your dreams, provide private education for your kids, and help others while generating a passive income? Financial success can help you achieve all of this through property investment. Thousands of Australians have been doing this, and so can you. It all starts here today with our Property Investment Mastery course. Meet Damien, an expert in the field of property investment. Damien has authored numerous books and has put together this course to drive your success. Here is what you'll learn when you enrol in our comprehensive property investment course. Discover proven strategies to build wealth through property investment. Learn from industry experts and avoid costly mistakes. Uncover the secrets to generating passive income and growing your wealth exponentially. Gain the knowledge and confidence to take control of your financial destiny. This comprehensive course, normally priced at $695, is available to you at a special discount. We're so confident in the value of this course that we offer a full money-back guarantee if you don't find it valuable. Don't wait to start your journey to financial success and a better life for you and your family. Click the link below to enroll in the Property Investment Mastery course today and take the first step towards achieving your dreams. Your future of financial success begins here.